What's up YouTube, Josh here, and in this video we're going to head down to Riverview and check out a couple of new construction homes in the Cedar Brook community. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so today I'm going to hop in the car, drive down to Riverview, and a couple Pulte homes that they are having a year-end blowout to steal a line from Lexus. Let's make it a December to remember. But they are offering up to $75,000 in incentives. So if you like one of these, reach out. Let's get it going for you. All right, let's go. This is the Easley Grand model. It is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 4193 square feet, 3-car garage. Obviously brand new construction, currently listed at $678,000. HOA fee is $8.33 per month, and there is a CDD fee of $4,428 per year. This one has been reduced $30,000 from the high, and current incentives are up to $75,000. But pricing and incentives change all the time. So if you're interested in this particular floor plan, reach out and I can let you know what the current pricing and incentives is. All right, let's go inside and take a look. So you come in the front door, you have the LVP flooring. And right here to the left, you're gonna have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. You have the tan carpet. There is a pre-wire for a ceiling fan above. And then you're gonna have a linen closet on both sides of the bathroom. Dual vanity here with the white cabinet, the quartz countertops, and then your tile around the tub and shower combo. And then your other linen closet here. I like that there is dual vanities. It's just a little odd when there's only just this 1 bedroom right here, but it is what it is, I guess. All right, so continuing on, let's actually go upstairs first, then we'll come back downstairs. This is where I'd be spending most of my time. This is insane up here. All right, so you come up to the top of the stairs. Check out the size of this loft. That is huge. And if that's not big enough, come through the French doors here, and you have even more. So you could turn this into a media room where you can close off everything, you know, multiple offices. You could even frame out a closet if you needed a 6-bedroom. Lots of possibilities here. Just a ton of space. All right, over here, bedroom number 2. And this one has a walk-in closet. Continuing on, behind this door is gonna be the next door is the air handler. This one is a coat closet. Air handler there. Bedroom number 3. Also with a walk-in closet and nice sized bedrooms. And then bathroom number 2. Same countertops, dual vanity, same tile around the shower and tub combo. All right. Let's go back downstairs, take a look at the rest of the house. All right, so you come down the stairs, go straight into a flex room, which could be set up as an office, or if you wanted a formal dining room, maybe you just get rid of the doors. But Continuing on, and just more space. So this would I'd probably set this up as the dining room. Just depends on how you want to do it. There's just a ton of space in this one. And then you have some understair storage here. All right, continuing on. Let's go over here real quick and take a look at the primary suite. So, nice long bedroom. You have the sliding glass doors that go out to the lanai. And then you have your dual vanity. Walk-in shower here. You do have a bench at the end back here. In my opinion, if you're going to be doing this while you're wet, it'll get a little cold back there, but at least you have a bench. I've seen some where the bench is, right under here underneath the faucet. Have your toilet there, and then your walk-in closet here. So it's kind of separated if you wanted to go that route. All right. And then, not sure if you noticed, you have the sliding glass doors in the bedroom as well. They go out to the covered lanai. We'll go out there in a minute. All right, out of the primary suite and then into your living room, family room, great room, whatever you want to call it. Multiple names for it these days. And then over here, you have another air handler right there. Little area here for some storage or whatever you want. And then a bedroom number 5. This could be used almost like an in-law suite if you wanted to, because it has its own bathroom here. And see, this makes sense. It just has the single vanity. I mean, not that I'm complaining about the first one having dual vanity. It's just there was just a one bedroom, so it's a little odd, but I'll take it. And then your laundry room here. And then out to your 3-car garage with the epoxy flooring. All right, let's go back in, take a look at the kitchen. So you have your quartz countertops, tile backsplash. It is electric out here, so you have your electric cooktop, range hood, and then your single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher, wall mounted oven and microwave there, and then your pantry over here in the corner with the French doors. So actually a decent sized pantry. And then let's go out here and take a look at the covered lanai in the backyard. So you got your sliders here that open up. And this one, if you see here, it goes all the way down. So you can open those. Come over here, give you a look at this. So nice size, covered lanai. And then you back to this little pond here. So you can see the difference in the grass. So the lot line would probably go to right there. And then you have this area here. That is the common area. HOA would cover that. But this is the back of this one. So that's gonna do it for this. Let me know what you think about in the comments below. This is the Roseland model. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 4272 square feet. Currently listed at $691,110. It has been reduced $50,000 from the high. HOA fee is $8.33 per month, and the CDD fee is $44.28 per year. Let me pan around to show what it looks like over here, then we'll go inside and take a look. Current incentives are up to $75,000 that can be used towards closing costs, interest rate buy downs, price reduction, or any combination of the three. But as you are probably aware, pricing and incentives change all the time. So reach out if you like this particular floor plan or any other floor plan, and I will get you the current incentives. All right, let's go inside and take a look. So you come in the front door, you have your LVP flooring, nice tall ceilings in the entryway. And to the left, you're gonna have your flex room with your French doors. Nice size flex room too. So you could obviously use this as an office or whatever you'd like, but this room is huge. The entire house is huge, as you'll see. All right, so nice wide hallways. Let's go ahead and look at this, I guess, and then we'll go upstairs. So this is gonna be your formal dining room here that goes around, and we'll come back over there in a minute, but goes through the butler's pantry and then into the kitchen. But let's go upstairs first, then we'll come back downstairs. So you got the wrought iron on the railing here. And then when you get up top as well, go straight up the stairs, you enter right into the primary suite through the French doors. So over here is gonna be the bedroom part. You got to look out over the pond back there. But nice sized bedroom. And then you have a little sitting area over here. And then into the bathroom through the French doors as well. To the right, you're going to have a linen closet. Then your walk-in closet. And into the bathroom. Have your shower here, the bench along the back wall, another walk-in closet over here, and then you have your dual vanities split with the tub in the middle, quartz countertops, and then you have a pocket door here for the toilet. All right, so continuing on, let's go across the catwalk. You do have electric in the floor right there. Let me know, what would you use that for? Because this walkway isn't the widest. If you were to put, a desk or something like that there, or a floor lamp, that would just be out of sorts, I would think. And then you have another one here, which makes more sense right here, much wider hallway. But let me know what you'd use that first one for. So over here, you look down onto the living room / family room. So you got those tall ceilings. I know I've had a couple people reach out, like in some of the Taylor Morrison stuff, but this gives you that same effect at a much lower price point. All right. Then this is gonna be a Jack and Jill bath. So over here, you have your vanity for this bedroom here. And then you have your closet for the bedroom right there. There is a pocket door in between these, separating the tub and shower combo. And I'm just gonna stop real quick. At an almost $700,000 price point, why do you have fiberglass inserts in the secondary bathrooms? I mean, come on, you could just use tile. So I don't want to bash them, but come on, let's be real. And then another pocket door leading into the other vanity area, along with the other walk-in closet. And then into the next bedroom. Nice sized bedrooms. And then, obviously close those doors off, you have some privacy. All right, continuing on. Over here is going to be your air handlers. And then there's enough room here if you want to put like a vacuum cleaner or store a little bit of stuff. All right, continuing on. Second story laundry room. All right. Then you're gonna have a linen closet right here. One more bedroom. This is gonna be a bedroom suite here. So nice sized bedroom. Have your walk-in closet. And then your bathroom. Once again, fiberglass inserts. That kills me, man. I see that in $300,000 and $400,000 homes, not $700,000 homes. And I'm sure the comments will be lit up with the same sentiment, but let me know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm expecting too much, but I don't see why you couldn't just use tile. All right, so going back downstairs. Come in, you have the living room / family room with the gigantic 20 plus feet ceilings, triple sliding glass doors. Let's go over here real quick because I'm gonna go out a different door in a minute. So this will be your dining area here, or breakfast nook. The other formal dining room we've already seen, and then you have another set of sliding glass doors that leads out to the covered lanai. So nice big island here with your quartz countertops, your white cabinets, your stainless steel dishwasher, undermount sink. And then this is kind of cool. You get the little skylights, well not skylights, but the transom windows in the kitchen. That's kind of cool, let some light in. It's different. See, they can do stuff like that in the kitchen, but they can't put tile in the bathroom. Killing me. All right. And then over here would be the butler's pantry. There's just no extended cabinet and countertops there, which you could easily put that in if you like. And then your walk-in pantry. All right, let's continue on. We're not done quite yet. Over here, it's gonna go, you have a little understair storage there. This goes out to the garage. And then over here, just another storage room. I don't know what you'd use this for other than storage. Let me know, what would you use that room for? That's right off of the garage. So you come out here to your 3-car garage. Nice epoxy floor. And actually, this one could probably be 4 cars if you really wanted to. But you know, over here, more storage. You got your water softener loop right there, your water heater in the corner. But you could definitely fit 4 cars or 3 cars in a golf cart. I like the garage. All right, so continuing on. And then right here, you have your French doors. Leads into another bonus room. I mean, there's not a closet in here, but you could easily frame one out if you want to turn this into another bedroom. All right. And then right outside of that, it's going to be your linen closet. And then one more bath. This would be set up as, you know, similar to a pool bath if there was a pool here. And if you decide to put your own pool in, then obviously you can use it as a pool bath. And then you have your door that leads out to the covered lanai. So you come out. That area here, we'll go up to the end and I'll turn around so you can see how long this is. So nice covered lanai. And then your backyard comes out here. So plenty of room for a pool if you'd like. And then you have your pond view. And then this is the back of this property. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.